This is the front of the differential. The pinion seal here looks like it'd been leaking as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it at the same time. There's no point in doing it at two different times, having to drain the fluid twice. Basically all I've done here was drop the drive shaft, which if you look underneath your truck, you can tell it's just got two straps with 4 bolts. Real simple. Pop them off and then just jiggle the drive shaft until you can get it down. I'll be pulling that out soon. I'm gonna take off this bolt, just gonna clean it up, that way I can mark it. And the seal should just pop out. I don't want to pry against the pinion gear. There we go. Loose. See if she'll slide in there. That piece just slid in. Super easy. Always nice. Put the washer on. Get our bolt back. And it stopped almost dead perfectly. So I believe that's where we're gonna leave it. My line's Like almost perfectly lined up. Have one more just without dropping the camera. So I got it tweaked right. I'm gonna put these stirrups on now. Pretty simple stuff. Basically, those are the stirrups I was talking about. You can see where these two bolts are still loose. I just have them finger tight. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them down.